Skal International, the heartbeat of the travel industry, unites 13,000 voices worldwide. For 2 decades, we've been champions of sustainability, partnering with outstanding organizations to illuminate the path with the Sustainable Travel Awards. As an affiliated member of the United Nations World Tourism Organization, Skal International is showing exceptional sensitivity and awareness towards the protection of the environment in conjunction with sustainable tourism. Yet change, true change, starts from within. Our tale isn't just about promoting awareness. Skal members are embracing a profound commitment. A commitment to plant the seeds of change, to paint the world green. From bustling urban landscapes in Australia to serene nature escapes on the African continent, our legacy sprouts as we plant trees across every continent where Skal clubs thrive and where exceptional stories come to life. This Skal International video depicts our exceptional story, a living testament to sustainable travel and a tribute to a greener world. This is our story. What's yours?